Hello, Grace.
Hello, Annabelle. We're back again with some more gift ideas, and delighted to say that we've had so many readers write in, email us, text us, whatever, just to say how much they're enjoying them, because I think we do try and get some original ideas, don't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think it is difficult to be innovative. I can't say that word, but
Innovative.
Yeah.
And I think we've all had enough socks and talcum powder to last us a lifetime at our age, haven't
Yes,
we?
exactly. So, what I want to start off with is these. These
shall I
are,
hold up
don't
the
you think
pink
they're
one?
beautiful? They're from a
Gorgeous.
company called Bridge in the Box, and obviously they sell lots and lots of bridge accessories, beautiful cards, and all the bridge sets. But these are rather fun because they're domino sets, and I think they're for somebody who has got everything. And
Look really good on a coffee table.
Exactly.
But aren't they fun? I love the pink and the orange.
I do. I think they're really beautiful.
And the nice quality boxes as well. They're sort of lacquered, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, really nice.
So perfect on your coffee table. Now, they are, I better get this right. I'm going to hold my piece of paper up because I can't read it.
She's old. She's getting old.
They're £45, but for Annabelle and Grace subscribers, the first 50 boxes, Amanda is taking £10 off. So they're £35. Now, if I was you, I'd buy a couple and stick them in your bottom drawer as gifts,
exactly.
in the future.
Or what about when you go to dinner with somebody?
Exactly.
Really nice present. Instead of a bottle of wine.
Yeah, I'd go for the weekend. But anyway, a great Christmas gift. Okay?
Now, for the next thing I want to show you, some things bear repeating, and products from Tea London definitely do. We've just done a really interesting podcast with Jane Kethrow, who's
the founder, isn't she?
She's fascinating. And how she came to produce these fragrances, which are a blend of tea and the fragrances that she remembers from her travels. It was really fascinating.
It was fascinating, wasn't it?
Yes, lovely. So she does diffusers, she does candles, she does some body lotions and things,
body wash.
But the thing we really want to tell you about, apart from listen to the podcast, is that she is giving away £33 worth of room fragrance. It's a little spray. There's 3 of them, so you can try 3 of the different fragrances. They come in a pretty little pouch, and they're worth £33. If you spend £60 on her website, you get these 3 fragrances free. So that's a pretty good deal.
And they're great for popping in your guest bathroom or a loo or whatever.
Or for stocking presents,
yeah, exactly.
But it's valid, this offer's valid, it's till the end of December 2019. So really one to look out for, and we'll put the code below this video.
Okay, so I think everyone wants a pair of pyjamas for Christmas, don't you? It's the sort of thing you don't really buy yourself, do you?
Well, I don't know, only if they're pretty.
I know. Well, yes, but they also, I'm not suggesting that you give us a little negligee, but I thought these ones...
Oh, they are pretty.
These ones from Marks and Spencer, they're £30 and they're cotton modal, and honestly... They're lovely and soft, aren't they? And
I love the piping as well.
Yeah, and they're just sort of really good for just lounging around too, or going away for a weekend and you don't want to take a dressing gown, for packing. So, I would give these as a gift to a girlfriend, even to...
Not a man.
No, no, to a girlfriend or to my daughters or whatever. I just think they're unusual and just pretty and feminine.
I like them.
Yeah. Cover up everything, but they're still feminine, aren't they?
Well, exactly, and you could be really comfortable and look pretty at the same time.
Yeah, so £30, not bad, hey?
So if you've got somebody that's really difficult to buy for, we think we've got the answer. Nice little bag. Want to see what's in it?
Now, is this from that company, Eternal Collection?
Well, you're jumping the gun a bit, but yes, it is.
Well, normally they just do, they
do jewellery.
Lovely
They do
jewellery. But I think this time we're looking at gifts, so obviously...
Yeah, and they've come up with some really good ones.
Yeah.
Would you like to try that phone number?
What are we
Sorry.
doing? Sorry. trying to throttle me.
No,
not till the end of the vlog. Isn't that nice?
No, and you know what? A classic colour goes with everything, and that's really soft, isn't it?
Yeah, just to put under an overcoat, you haven't got to knot it or anything.
No.
So I love that.
And it's £25, so it's not extortionate. And then the other little number we've got, some really nice gloves. Now, did you tell me that these come in lots of different colours?
I think there are about 5 other colours.
Oh, they feel like suede when you put them on. They're not.
But they're really smart.
I'm going to put both on, but my hands are tied. But look, they're really
they're
pretty.
nice, aren't they? Yeah, and look, they go with this.
Yes, perfectly.
This camel colour, the neutral
colour.
How much
are they?
Oh, they're...
£18.
Yeah, £18. So
I like these, and they're really comfortable.
So another gift from Eternal Collection.
Yeah.
Some little Diamante shoe clips just to brighten up a sort of...
Fantastic. You know when you've got a very plain pair of shoes?
Yes, black or navy or whatever.
Gives you that little bit of a twinkle on your toes.
Don't you like those? And then, for your elderly relatives like me, who is always losing her glasses, Grace knows this, she doesn't have to wear them
everybody loses their readers. It's not just...
And this is a spectacle chamber. It's quite a pretty one, isn't it? And it's £25. I think, and it comes in, they all come in a pretty little box. Yeah. And so I think it's a nice gift.
Nice little stretchy bracelet here, perfect for a teenager.
Yeah.
It's got a really pretty little dingly-dangly bit there. I don't know if you can see it, it's sort of like a tree.
Yes, tree of life.
Yeah, tree of life. And really lovely. I don't know how much that one is, but we'll put it at the price underneath.
Clever, isn't it, that Eternal Collection have obviously developed their gift side as well, because you may not want to buy earrings or a necklace or something.
It's quite personal,
isn't it? Whereas these gifts are you could buy for anyone, any age.
And I'm pretty confident they'd like them.
Yeah, exactly. So the next gift is for young children, and it's called Lessons from the Wild, and it's written by the granddaughter of Backpacking Granny. So that's really sort of close to home.
It's nice.
And it's stories about manners, and if you have a look, and each one is told by a different animal.
Yes.
So, for instance,
the parrot who learned to listen.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm kneeling wacky on the chin.
The parrot will tell the story, and it's just teaching children those sort of old-fashioned manners, ideas that are difficult to get across.
Which manners cost nothing, and they're worth a fortune, aren't they?
And it's beautifully illustrated.
It is.
It's really fun.
Fabulous.
It's such a lovely book. I mean, I am definitely getting that for all my young nephews.
There seem to be 8 stories there in this book. And you've got a crab, gorilla, bear, lion, crocodile, cheetah, parrot, and a shark.
What a clever young girl. I mean, I think it's fantastic. They've got them published. They're costing £10 plus postage and packing. Can't get my words out today. And honestly, for any young child, this would be a fabulous gift. You could sit there and read it to them, or give it to a grandmother who's got young children, young grandchildren, that when they come to stay, they've got a book to read.
A good book for them to read.
Lovely, isn't it?
Really lovely.
So the next gift, I put my glasses on for this because I'm going to have to read some things out, is another book, but this is for the teenager, young adult, well, for all of us really, because it's about saving the planet. It's called Letters to the Earth. Now, what happened was, a press release was sent out inviting people to write a letter to the Earth, and it's all about climate change and the state of emergency that we're in. And so the British public were invited, and they got thousands and thousands of entries.
No surprise there.
Yeah, exactly. And they've got lots of wonderful letters, but they've got some from famous people like Yoko Ono, Mark Rylance, and Caroline Lucas, head of the Green Party, isn't she? Or was she? I think she still is. Yeah. I hope she is anyway. And Extinction Rebellion, Dr. Gail Bradbrook. All sorts of people are in there, obviously, people who know a lot about this crisis we're facing, but also just letters of grief and protest and hope that people have written, and it's fabulous. And I think that's something that I would give to my sort of young godchildren, things like that, because they are so concerned and they're doing so much good. And I think this might help them too. It might sort of put their voice into words. They may not be able to express themselves, and this will done it for them. I think it's really clever. I've sat and read quite a few of them, and they're quite moving, actually.
And I think we've all realised now that something has to be done.
Exactly.
So I think the more knowledgeable we are, the more facts and figures that we have at our fingertips, the more emotive statements about it, the better it will be.
And it's only just over £7 from Amazon, so £7.20, I think. And I just think that's a thoughtful but affordable gift for the young. Well, and for the old too. I mean, we can all do our bit, can't we?
Like nearly everybody else in the UK and worldwide, in fact, I'm absolutely crazy for coffee.
Yes, I've got mine here with me.
She's got one. And the coffee that we like is called Bel Mio. They're aluminium capsules, really good quality coffee, Nespresso compatible machine-wise.
Yes.
And one of the things that we thought might make a really good present is that you can get this mixed presentation box of 50 capsules, £16.50, so it's not unreasonable.
Yeah, so
But
I can't work out how much that is per.
well, it's about 33p per capsule.
Oh, that's good, isn't
Which
it?
I think is much cheaper than Nespresso, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think that's a great gift for a coffee lover.
Well, yes, but wait until you hear this.
Go on.
There's also, through Annabelle and Grace, 15% off if you use a code which we will put underneath.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's great for a coffee lover because they buy their Nespresso. You know, they love their Nespresso, but these are all just so different. I love, now which one's my favourite? I love the gold.
Yes.
And I'm just trying the green actually for the first time, and I am actually really enjoying it. Slightly, seems to me slightly stronger, yeah.
Well, you've got a range here. It says from mild to wild.
Mild to wild.
Mild to wild. And the other thing is, this is just an aside, so easy to wrap up. A nice rectangular box.
I'm so hopeless at wrapping, so that's great. A great gift. Anyway, it is getting closer and closer to Christmas, and I hope these videos that we're making for you help, because we are trying to find the unusual rather than the normal, just everything a little bit different. And we're going to put all the details below the video, plus it'll all be on our top products page on our website, so it'll be everywhere. You cannot
You won't be able to miss it.
No, exactly. Anyway, so see you soon, and thanks for watching.
Bye.